Success of every organization actually depends on two things, that's communication and processes. The more intuitive and efficient communication processes are, the more safe and productive an organization can be. So, welcome to Asset Flow. This is an MVP or a proof of concept for the application. So, let's log in. All right. So, the main page is dashboard. So, I have already added 3 total dummy assets here, but okay. So, that's dashboard, and we got assets here, inspections, reports, and settings. Try to keep it as lean and clean as possible to keep features that really matters. Okay, let's go to assets first. So that's assets. Clicking on add asset. Okay. So Fanuc Archmate. Gone. Just creating a dummy asset here. 118i status available. Purchase date 1. Where the start date and date, and that's can add that too. For now, we're not adding that. Clicking save. Okay, so now it's here. That's Fanuc Archmate, and so if we can see going to the saved asset, the first one's edit button, the second an option to start inspection, and third is to delete it. So if we click inspections, it would make the user to able to inspect this asset. And yes, entered. We can actually in here we can actually add an option to save inspectors names. Then the user can actually select the name from the drop down, so we can also add a drop down option too. Standard inspection checklist complete. Next. Okay, next inspection. All right. Yeah, so now if you go to inspections, it's there. Okay. So the other one we got is report. So actually reports can be made available to download from the inspections here. Maybe download as a PDF. Click to download. Something like that would work, I guess. And maybe we can also, so because every machine and every asset would have a very different inspection checklist, we can also have an option to add template that can help the user to select different inspection template for different equipments. That way user can go to the template and start inspection from there, and it gets saved in inspection. Also different assets will have different inspection schedules, so we can also add schedule. Okay, so the workflow might look like this: adding asset, then add inspection template in the template tab, then scheduling it, then asset flow would notify the user of the schedule. So inspection schedule, and all the inspections would come here. Okay, so that's a simple demo, I would call. Yeah, let me know what your thoughts are, and what would you think. I have been thinking of adding few AI features, but at this stage I feel the features I was intending to add to this felt a bit gimmicky, or I would say garnished. Yeah, let me know what your thoughts are, and yeah, we'll go from there, and hopefully we'll have a very productive meeting, and looking forward to it. Thank you. Before winding up, I must show you the server side we used, the or the database where it gets saved. It's also called backend or server side. So by clicking there, so it's called Supabase. We use Supabase for this application. Supabase is used by is currently being used by most of the prominent startups use Supabase because it's very easy to understand. Because it uses SQL, it got an inbuilt SQL editor and database, for example, for everything we have added in the app. So it got assets, categories, locations, maintenance records. So all data, all assets we have created have already been saved in the database. So that means if the user, if there is a hiccup during the application's um, operation, the data never get lost. It also gets option to monitor authentication, add different providers here. For example, you can add phone login, one-time password, um, email. You can add Google login, Apple login, yeah, Facebook. So that's the backend. It's already been deployed to GitHub in the repository. Yeah, let me know what your thoughts are, and looking forward to our meeting.